Just like English has auxiliary verbs of be and have, Basque also has isan as an auxiliary verb. Hi, I'm Shanna, and this is Basque Berserk. An auxiliary verb is known as a helping verb. You see them in sentences like I am going or I have gone. The isan auxiliary verb is commonly known as a helping verb to non-finite verb forms, or main verbs. The main verbs don't have subject and object specific prefixes and suffixes, so they rely on these auxiliary verbs to help get their meaning across. This formation of main verb plus auxiliary verb is called a periphrastic conjugation. This is a big phrase that just kind of means a multi-step way to say something. For example, you can use auxiliary isan for transitive and intransitive verbs, for the present tense, the future tense, the past tense, and more. Yoan go nice, I will go. Yoaten nice, I go. Yoan nice, I have gone. Yoan nintzen, I had gone. Yoan go nintzen, I will have gone. Ikushiko dut, I will see it. Ikushten dut, I see it. Ikushidut, I have seen it. Ikushinoen, I had seen it. Ikushiko nuen, I will have seen it. And many more usages based on the forms of isan. So yes, isan is the most important Basque verb. You will see it everywhere and all the time, so it's very important to practice. More videos dealing with specific uses of auxiliary isan coming eventually. Thanks for watching. Agur!